This is it. This is the video you've all been waiting for. The time has come. I had once replaced a brush on the bottom of this. Okay. And it's lasted several months up until I wanted to bring it out here to the garage to perform cleaning maintenance. It was time. It's about every 6 months you want to do a deep clean on it. Now, by the time I picked up this thing, picked it up like this, and I carried it, well, that's when this puppy, the head unit, completely broke off the way you see here. See? Get in a little closer. The hose broke off from the main head unit. I will show you how to put a new one on. First and foremost, you want to take off all this, unnecessary stuff you don't need. Curtain brush, whatever brush you want to use it for. This is the NB750 Shark Professional Rotator. Okay, let me get this thing off. Right here. Okay. It's the Shark brand. Alright, detach your hose back here. Okay. Lay it off to the side. Do whatever. Now you want to take this thing off with the release button back here. Okay, see? Release this. That's the handle. Okay. Well, once you got the handle off, you can just set it off to the side. Down here, very gently. Okay. You want to somehow, if I can remember how to remove this thing. Let's see. Yeah, that's your filter. Still needs cleaned, by the way. I can take this off. See, that cover. This filter. Basically, what you want to do is get this whole thing off. And right there. Yep, just like that. See that? Slide it all the way out. Now you're left with this canister housing. So, but before that, I want to blow everything off. Okay, so hang tight. I'm going to blow everything off. Alright, that was just a few seconds. So, now what you got to do, you're left with this piece that's broken. Okay, and it's supposed to fit down in here like that. Well, I'm going to keep this for parts. This is fairly new. So I'm going to put this aside. And we're going to bring in the new one. Right from Shark. Okay, and comes with brand new stuff. Now, basically, you just reconnect. Okay? Slide this all down in here, and it clicks. Did you hear it click? See? Then you just put all your stuff back together. Gotta come back over here. I made the mistake of throwing everything over here. Let me pick this up, put it on the table. Put my parts back up here. Okay. Now, we can slide this back down in here. Make sure your pins, okay, make sure pins go down inside that too. Okay. Just like that. And it's on there. Okay, now I can reconnect this. Yep, right to here. Bring it back. It helps if you turn it right side like that, like that. Now you're ready for the canister. You can stick this back in. It's fairly clean. If yours needs cleaned, don't hesitate to clean it. Okay. And then last but not least, this thing. Okay. It's the TruPet rotator TruPet. Okay. And then this is a little dusty and dirty, so I'm gonna clean that off. I'm gonna spray it off. Okay. You want to try to spray it off up in here so the dust comes out of here and not in. Okay. Now just stick this back in, just like that, foam side down. Okay. I think that's it. No, foam side up. My bad. And then you're ready for this. And voila. What you have here is a completed head change. Okay. There you go. Put your things back on. And you'll be up and operating again in no time. We'll plug this in, make sure it works. The closest one is over here. Okay. Alright, loud noises. I'm going to turn this thing on. Okay. The brush is not on yet. Until you step on it, you bring it back. That works. It works. Okay. This is the video for you. It was a simple fix. But mainly, what I really wanted to tell you is I did this. So can you. Subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Give me questions, comments. If you're having a little bit of trouble, send me videos on what you got and I can coach you through it. So, until next time, I'll see you later.